Oh yes, my friends. We have the Cardo Freecom 2X Bluetooth set that I just purchased and I just got. Of course, I will have a link to it down below if you guys have been considering it, and if you now are thinking, hey, if Ace is doing it, I'm gonna do it too. Of course, I made the purchase because of the sound by JBL audio quality. It's waterproof, and as I mentioned, we want that Bluetooth, the live intercom ability to connect with another rider. As you guys can see, you got that two-way live sound, live connection, and it goes to the distance of a half a mile, 800 meters, my old race back in high, kind of middle school. Before I became more of a 400, 200 runner, of course. So it's not, the longest distance, but it is a nice, good little distance. So could be a little better, but certainly could be worse. So I like that. Waterproof, as I mentioned, universal connectivity, over-the-air software update. And of course, you got the Cardo Connect app that you want to make sure you download when you are setting up your Cardo Bluetooth intercom set. I like it. It's nice and small. It's black. It's sleek. That'll probably look good on any helmet. And has the dial, so that you can easily spin and select what you want to choose. So I like that. And it seems like it's a good build, a good quality as well. This is the part that's going to buckle onto your actual helmet. I believe all of this. Of course, all of this is me speculating and just assuming, because I am new to this bad boy. I'm new to motorcycles and I'm new to all of this, so don't look at me like an expert, of course, but instead as someone who is just, jumping into it and documenting and sharing my journey, my thoughts with you guys out there, and also looking for feedback from you guys and suggestions as to your thoughts about things that I'm doing, things that you guys might see I might be doing wrong or just wasting time on, or we have suggestions on better quality equipment and software tools and whatnot. Certainly let me know. I am open to suggestions and feedback. Because as I mentioned, I'm not no motorcyclist expert or anything. I'm new to this world, hence me making these investments and buying all of these different cool gadgets that will help me enjoy and appreciate the world of being a motorcycle owner, specifically a new one, right? Since I am still technically, it's been under a month since I made the purchase of my motorcycle. And I'm already jumping into the Cardo Bluetooth world, where I want to make sure I have that ability to enjoy the ride while also being able to connect with others and hear my music and stay in the zone, so to speak. So I'm looking forward to putting all of this to the test. And it all looks like it's good quality, good build. I've only read good reviews and feedback about Cardo and their tools and equipment and whatnot. I shouldn't say tools, but their products. And we got the JBL. So this is good. I'm looking forward to here we go. Here they are. Yeah, these boys are nice and big, nice and thick. Should take them out the bag. I can do it with one hand. Bam. They got the JBL imprint on them. As I mentioned, they're nice and thick. JBL. So, yep. That 3M quality, or I don't know if it's 3M that they have for the stickers. I would imagine it is, but maybe not. So gonna get these in my helmet. I also did just get my give you guys a little glimpse, but for another video, if you know what this is, I got some exciting plans to give you guys a look into my world of riding my bikes, my motorcycles and whatnot. And this little chin mount is gonna help get the job done. So pretty cool, that chin mount. And I mean, since I'm over here, I made some other purchases over here recently. Got that protective Hero 9 black housing case for the GoPro Hero 9 that I purchased right here. Out the box, someone had tried it, didn't want it, returned it, so I was like, give me that bad boy. Let me pay $10, $20, $30 cheaper. Basically a brand new one. And this one has the monitor on it, so I'll be able to see myself. I have another one that I'll be using probably for the chin mount, so excited for those things. But look out for those videos if you guys want to see more unboxings and you know, just get a preview, a glimpse. Of course, I'll make a updated video diving into my thoughts about the Cardo Freecom 2X and their capabilities, if I think it's worth it, if I think maybe, you know, I should have upgraded and got something better. Although I haven't been exposed to any other Bluetooth sets that they have out there, so I couldn't really give you that opinion until I try others. But ultimately I will be able to give you my thoughts on these particular you know, headsets and whatnot, these earphones. JBL is obviously good quality, so these little speakers or whatever should you know, get the job done and do a pretty good job. I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic. And like I said, this is pretty good quality, pretty good build behind this, so I think this will like I said, be nice and effective when it comes to giving me access to speaking with others while I'm riding my bike, or wanting to listen to music or still get the directions from point A to point B without having to look down at the map every 2 seconds. So yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos like some of those other ones. And feel free to comment down below with your thoughts about the Freecom 2X Bluetooth set pair that we got here with that JBL sound. And of course, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. And yeah, I gotta keep it moving, my friends. Busy night, I have to punch out another video, but you guys already know what it is. Comment down below, leave your thoughts, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Much appreciation for watching, but I gotta keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.